Hell yeah!
It only took 15 minutes to paint the car.
What is up, everybody? Thomas Miata here, and we've got the new and improved Hyundai Elantra, and we're gonna be dirt track racing it. Big shout out to everybody for coming, Frank, Heather, Justin, and even bigger shout out to Joey Whitaker back there for having us. Awesome guy, give him a follow. Hit him up if you want to do dirt track racing, drifting, whatever you want to do. Tell him Thomas Miata sent you. So what we're doing is actually an endurance race. 150 laps. There's going to be some other heats and stuff too, but 150 laps this car needs to make it. I bought it yesterday for $500 locally. We drove down the day before, picked this thing up, and we're going to see what we can make out of it. First place is $1,500. Fingers crossed. See you out there. Justin realized we forgot a step and we had to do white wheels. Hey bud, thanks for coming down. You having a good time or what?
Hell yeah.
Justin's about to buy a dirt car.
I'm about to move to North Carolina.
South Carolina, buddy.
Either one. On the line.
Thomas Miata was here.
Obnoxious. Oh my lord.
This is Joey. I know him through drifting. Actually, he's been running these cars for years. He's been drifting for about 13 years. I've been drifting for about 8. And he invited me down just to come dirt track racing because he just recently got into it. It's really cheap to do and I'm giving it a shot, seeing if I like it, but we're all about drifting. Well, that had to be about the easiest tech I've ever seen in my life. What'd you think of that, Frank? Justin, what'd you think of that?
Tech is easy.
What'd you say?
Tech is easy.
How hard was tech?
That was super hard, bro. He was like, "You have pants on?" I said, "Yeah." He goes, "All right, have fun."
Okay, yes, I forgot to introduce the track. We are actually at Carolina Speedway. It'll be over there. You'll see it later. And yeah, we're sending it. So North Carolina, dirt track. And that's about all I know. From here on out, we're gonna be racing and keeping the car together, not crashing too much, hopefully, and get some good shots. Hell yeah, we gotta get a little shout out to Joey here.
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah, thanks for having us always.
Not a problem, anytime, man.
Shout it out or whatever, your Instagram, whatever you want people to follow you at. Fuck the neighbors.
Fuck the neighbors.
Follow them, fuck the neighbors, TikTok especially. Get it, buy the t-shirt.
That's right.
Oh yeah. We'll see you out there. We're gonna be crashing each other, I'd imagine. They were just doing that, I missed it. But already there's been some hood damage. The
Well,
hammer.
he shouldn't have fucking hit me pulling in a tech. So I tried to bust his radio before he started the race. I mean, it's my car anyway.
Some of the hardest tech I've ever seen out here.
You got pants on? Yep. All right, go on through now. You got a jacket for later? Yep. Okay, go on through now.
It's gonna be a good time, can't wait.
Absolutely. Fuck drifting.
No. We are heading out to check out the track and get a little bit of tips and tricks for the race.
Yeah.
So,
okay,
I'm going to tell y'all real
It's gonna be
quick.
on and
I
off
thought
road.
it was
Turns
around
1 and 2 is
85.
way different than 3 and 4. That wall will come a whole lot faster.
The wall will come in a whole lot faster over there, you said?
Yeah, like you'll
Turn
walk.
one knows me very well.
Okay.
I've hit it 3 times.
That's turn 1, technically.
It hurts.
3 and 4, you've got a
T-bone
lot
fucking
more
wall
give
here,
before
too.
you get to the wall.
Gotcha.
But the thing to be careful with coming out of 4 is make sure you don't have
hit the
somebody
barbels.
under you, because if they hit you, you'll hit this opening and you will roll.
Yeah.
You'll turn right and then roll.
I'm coming down the straightaway. When I go to turn left, I get out of the gas until I'm kicking, and I get right back in it as I'm turning right.
Should be
When nothing in life goes right, go left.
Fingers crossed, of course.
All right, Heather.
When in doubt, throttle out.
The backwards race. You guys not run with us before. The backwards race.
This is the Maryland guys.
Hey man.
What's
Mark,
up?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I told him, I said, Mark wanted to meet you guys. He's
Yeah.
dumb enough to drive that far for enduro.
Yeah, you know, I was thinking that too. Yeah, he's telling me some of the other stuff you guys do. We'll have to, you know, come up with some ideas of, you know, for some halftime entertainment for you guys doing some stuff out here with us.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, final check-in before the race starts. I'm gonna be switching to the GoPro. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed I can make the whole race.
Fingers crossed for everybody else too.
We're out here, lined up for the thing. Way to go, should be pretty fun. Pretty bad, so I don't know what's up.
Here it goes,
I was in 5th place before I ran out of gas, so I was doing pretty good. But the next race is 50 laps, so we're done the 150. I probably finished in the top 10, I think, because I mean I ran the whole race pretty much, and this thing's kicking ass. $500 for the win. They're over there trying to get the other car on the.
That shit's been filled up for a while.
All right, try it.
That's way the fuck back.
Yeah, wow.
You good, hold still. Right there.
Joey, can you hit it a little bit more right here? Right at the bottom corner. I think it'll be good.
Watch out. Watch out, everybody.
Yeah.
Fuck that downtown, boat! It's my goddamn car! I want it on the track, goddammit! That's as far as it's going. Throw it on the firewall.
I think that's probably good, man. Good job. Good job, sir.
I'm gonna go win this 50 for you, Joey.
Oh yeah, looks like it's gonna make it.
From Budden to Ugga.
Well guys, that's all she wrote. Lost the motor. It was rod knock when we picked it up. I was right. And all oil problems all the time.
But you placed 5th.
Alright, let's clean off the back.
And if you didn't do it, I was gonna do it with my car over here.
But I
Good
did
job.
place 5th in the main race, actually. I
What
completely
you got
forgot.
paid $100 for there, bud?
$100 payout, heck yeah.
And you watched the car flip. Literally flip in front of you.
Yes, actually I did see a car flip right in front of me. I wish I had that on the actual video so you guys could see it.
But yeah, bud, that's it. That's all she wrote. Thomas Miata was here. stuff because Rowdy out here.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming out.
My ear!
I know you want to hang out for a little bit. You probably want the announcer to get his butt kicked, but I'm just announcing the race. I'm not chicken lock rear ends.
Give me another one.
Give me another one.
Oh yeah, bud. That's 5th place right there in a shit box.
Yep. Do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again. So Frank had about 40 laps or something like that, or 60, and Justin had like 35.
No, the opposite.
Other way. Frank had 33, he had 63.
Oh, okay. Yep.
You got 170?
I got like 170 before my fucking knocking motor finally let go, and we called it at the beginning too. We called the shit out of that. It's like we've done this stuff before. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna see you on the next one, guys. There's the damage. He flipped that thing. This thing is tore up. It did a front flip at the track last night. It's crazy. I was right behind it and actually saw underneath of this car. Didn't expect to get on track and see a car do a barrel roll flip twist in front of me. Pretty wild.